Hey guys, by the way, this is just skit, and hope you enjoyed the video. All I have is a stupid mini spike ball. Wait, the girl has a lot of fidget. Maybe I can scam her. Ooh, yeah. Okay, let's go over to her. Trading ultra legendary glow in the dark mini spike ball. Me. Okay, so I'll offer these two slinky. You're so honored. This is so rare. Add. Okay, I'll offer these two monkey noodles and this slinky. Can you just add a little bit more, even though you're way under? Fine, I guess I'll just add all of my fidgets. Alright, here you go. Haha, scammed loser. Thanks for watching.